guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute, it's been a while. I am back today to show you guys my simple everyday makeup routine slash 5-minute makeup slash no makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I get the job done, continue watching. So first things first, for my face, as you guys can see, it is clean, and I went ahead and put a little bit of coconut oil on. I'm going to be starting off with this matte spray from Essence, because we are going for a matte look even though it's natural. Spray that all over. Yeah, so now that I've sprayed on the matte spray, next I'm going to go in with my Make Me Glow liquid bronzer, also from Essence. Now that I've placed it in the areas where I want to glow, I'm going to just quickly rub it in. Now that we've rubbed that in, I'm going to take my MAC foundation in a dark shade, and I'm going to go over all of the areas where I want to contour. Now pretty much what this does is contours the areas of your cheekbones. You can contour your nose a bit if you like. You can also go over the outskirts of your hair. Now that we've rubbed that in, next, bronzer from L'Oreal, which is almost gone, but we're going to use the last of it today. Just put that in the same area where we contoured before. Blend that in thoroughly, and then go over the rest of our face. I know you guys can see my pimple. I'm not even going to try to cover it up because, you know, they come and go. I can't control it. We're going to go in with our brows. So what I'm doing is I'm lightly, I'm not using the pencil as hard as I would normally use it. I'm just lightly swiping it just to create a light shadow. No, I don't want it to look drawn in. Now that we have that, we're going to take the other side of the brow pencil and blend it in. And there we have it. I'm going to use a little concealer today just to make my brows pop. Didn't intend on using this much. So I went ahead and did the exact same thing on both sides, and I blended it out to make it look as natural as possible. And for you guys who do have brows, this step is not a must. So now that we're done with our brows, which we're almost finished with the look, we're gonna go ahead with Stay makeup fixing spray. It's also from Essence. And we're going to just spray this. Even though we don't have on a lot of makeup, we still don't want it, you know, to slip and slide and move out of place. So yeah, so while that's drying, we're going to skip to the lashes. So for my lashes, as you guys can see, jumping right in with this mascara from a local brand here called Sakara. You guys can use your preferred mascara or even lashes or whatever you choose, but this is what I am using today. And we are going for a natural look, where even though we have on makeup, we don't want it to look like it. Don't worry about the outskirts, we are gonna clean that up. Because I don't have any eyeshadow, it's not a problem. I like my lashes to pop. So that's what we're doing. You can, you know, put on as much as your heart desires, but this is... So I did go ahead and do my bottom lashes off camera, but this is the final look. So I did go ahead and slick my hair back into a bun. Did a little baby hairs, and yeah, for the final touch, I am going to take my Labello and there we have it, guys. So yes, you guys, this is the final look, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, okay? And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.